folks, got a different video for you this time. I got a small shop vac that been making noise at the end of when you're turning it off, at the end when it's slowing down, and I'm going to try and fix it. Let me show you what I got here, and let me show you the noise it's making. Alright, so here's, I think it's called a Stingray. Well, the stickers are gone now. But anyhow, let me show you what it does. Now listen at the end. So, do it again. Alright, so I'm going to try and fix that. I'm going to probably take it apart and obviously, and I think it's a bearing or something like that, so I'm going to try and maybe drill into the bearing and grease it or something like that. But anyhow, I'll bring you along. Alright, before the battery died, or the memory card got full, I was in the process of taking the screws out. I got one, maybe, let's see if this is gonna work. I don't think so. I gotta get a screwdriver for that. Alright, so here we go. I hope I don't, it works now, but I hope I don't screw it up to the point where it doesn't work, because it still works, if that follows. You understand that. Just wanted to get the squeaking done. It's an old machine. Had this for probably 4 or 5 years. But it would be nice to get it to the point where it doesn't squeal. One more in there somewhere. It didn't come out. Right here. There we go. I think that'll come out now. Yep. There we go. I'm thinking that maybe just squirt some oil down the side of there, some lube, and it'll stop doing that. So that's what we're going to do. The only thing I got right now is PB Blaster. So we'll just do some of that. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I'm just spraying lube up inside of there, and hopefully it will help out. I know I probably shouldn't be doing this, but worst case scenario is I just have to get another one. If I can keep it in there while I put this back on. Something doesn't seem right. Seems like there's something missing. That's probably about where it was at, right there. But it might have been inside of here to hold it together. I don't know. Can't remember. Seems like there's something missing though, doesn't it? Well, we're gonna try it. I don't know if there's any more I can get in. Let's go back to the screwdriver. Probably a bunch of you yelling at me now saying that ain't gonna work, you're doing it wrong. That's alright. That's fine. I'm willing to do the risk. They got a new vacuum cleaner, or shop vac, that you just attach it to the top of a 5-gallon bucket that you get from Home Depot or Lowe's. So I'll probably go with that next. Because the one thing I do not like about this, other than, I mean, it's small and compact, the one thing I do not like about it is how small the bottom is, and the fact that it sits right on the bottom. Did I already get that one? Might have. No, I didn't. And so it fills up so damn quick. And so I wanted something that is that can hold a lot more dirt, I guess you'd say. Alright, I think that's all of them. Alright, let's get the screwdriver. Cord out. Plug it in and see if we get shocked. Alright, let's put it on this, put everything back together. Yeah, better put this on at least. I don't want to get sucked in anything in there. There goes nothing. Obviously it worked. There you go. So anyhow, thanks for watching. Guess the oil worked. And so I will just keep on doing that until it doesn't work. Till it burns up or something like that. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. I actually thought it was going to take longer than this. Sorry, it's such a short video. But anyhow, got more coming up.